I am going to the store to buy some fruit. Hello viewers, how are you? Welcome to the English Quizly channel, your go-to destination for exciting English grammar quizzes. Today we are going to see how good is your English grammar. Answer these fun questions to find out. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to play more fun quizzes. Alright, let's play the quiz. The dog barked at the bird. The ball rolled down the hill. I love to eat vanilla ice cream. The sky is blue today. I am going to read a mystery book. He is a smart student. She is a kind teacher. I saw a beautiful butterfly. I heard a loud noise. I ate a delicious sandwich. I played a fun game. I went to a romantic movie. I had a good dream. I made a stupid mistake. I learned a new English word. I saw a colorful rainbow. I had a wonderful day. I love my close family. I am extremely happy to be alive. The cat is running. The sun is shining in the sky. I am doing my homework. I went to the park yesterday. I saw a squirrel on the tree. I ate a bowl of cereal for breakfast. I wore jeans to school today. I am excited to go to the movies. I am happy to meet my new teacher. I am glad that I passed the test. I am mad at my friend for being late. I am worried that my dog is sick. I am excited to go on vacation next week. I am happy that I can help others. I am grateful to be alive. I am lucky to have so many friends. I am excited to learn new things every day. I am grateful for my family who loves me. I am happy to live in a free country. I am grateful that I can make a difference in the world. I saw a bird in the sky. I ate a turkey sandwich. I played a hide and seek game with my friends. I watched a funny movie on TV. I went to the library to get a book. I wore a swimsuit to the beach. I am excited to see my family again. I am grateful that I can go to college. I am grateful that I have a job that I love. I am happy that I can help others. I am grateful to be alive. I am happy that I can make a difference in the world. I am lucky to have so many friends. I am excited to learn new things every day. I am grateful for my family who loves me. I am happy to live in a free country. I am free to make my own choices in life. I am grateful for the opportunity to make my dreams come true. I am grateful to be alive and to have the opportunity to experience all that life has to offer. I am unique to be me. I am grateful to be able to travel the world. I am happy to have a job that I love. I am happy to able to help others. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like it, share it, and post your marks in the comment section. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any new video.